UAE licenses and exams. UAE is a nation of 7 emirates. According to population, only 12% emirates are living in UAE and rest all are expatriates, which is 88%, which include Indian, Pakistani, Bangladeshi, Egyptian, Filipino and others. United Arab Emirates based on 7 emirates. If you want to work in a government sector, you have to write exams to obtain a professional license. Each emirate has a different authority to regulate the healthcare system. There are 3 exams for pharmacists, which is based on emirate's location. Number 1. DHA exam, Dubai Health Authority. This exam is only for Dubai, not in other emirates. Number 2. MOH exam, Ministry of Health. After passing this exam, healthcare professional can work in 5 emirates of UAE, which is Sharjah, Ajman, Al Quwain, Fujairah and Ras Al Khaimah. Number 3. HAD, Health Authority of Abu Dhabi. Health professional can work only in Abu Dhabi. Process of obtaining DHA, MOH and HAD licenses. It is based on 3-step process which include application submission. It is a process of submitting the application on the website of a particular authority by creating a new user account and filling online form with required documents. Primary source verification, also called PSV. It is a process of verifying and checking applicants' educational certificates and authenticity of training or experience certificates by authorized company called Dataflow. Exams. It is computer-based test which consist of multiple choice questions. MCQs. A single question has 4 answers. You have to select the correct one. Currently, there is no negative marking in pharmacy test examination. These exams are not just an exams. These are professional licenses for pharmacists to work in United Arab Emirates. These licenses will help to finding a better opportunities because nowadays every healthcare or pharmacy require a qualified pharmacist and a licensed pharmacist to run their business and system. Clearing these examination has benefits like health insurance, annual leaves, family visa facilities. Licensed pharmacist has higher salaries as compared to non-licensed professionals, but their salaries has variation depending upon the license. For example, hard licensed candidates has higher salaries as compared to DHA and MOH. Any medical professional can transfer or convert the license into another authority. For example, someone is working as a MOH pharmacist and want to work in Dubai or Abu Dhabi. Then he or she can transfer the license like DHA to MOH. If any applicant get an opportunity in other emirates, he or she can convert the license, but it requires minimum 6 months job completion with the respective license issued by authority. Activation of current license by using eligibility letter. Applicant has to be on the job with the same license. Applicant has to upload a set of documents on the website of new licensing authority for converting the license and also has to pay processing fee online via credit card. The whole process required 5 working days. Now who can write the exam? A person should be a healthcare professional. Those are desperate to work in United Arab Emirates are eligible to write an exam for DHA, HAD and MOH. These are some categories of healthcare professional who can apply for the exam. Doctor, medical practitioner, dentist, nurses, pharmacists, laboratory technicians and all therapy technicians. Any pharmacist should have minimum 2 years of experience. Diploma candidates can apply as a assistant pharmacist or technician and rest all can apply as a pharmacist. According to candidates, exams and process of DHA is easy than MOH and HAD. DHA and MOH is conducted by Prometric company and HAD is conducted by PersonVue. Prometric is US-based private company founded in 1990 which operate in more than 180 countries. PersonVue is also US-based company founded in 1994. These companies provide a test center for performing examination in different countries. Examination centers are available in all countries which has biometric enabled, excluding some countries like Ireland and South Africa as the reason of biometric disabled system, punch in punch out. Examination centers are also available across India in some cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Mumbai.